Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and we are back with another Trunk Club unboxing. This is probably the smallest Trunk Club box I've ever received, and it's big, but usually they're huge. I did ask for something specific, so I just got a new job, and it's scary and overwhelming and amazing and wonderful. But I will be on more video calls than I ever have been. And so I asked for some fun shirts for work calls. So I think that's what they sent me. You get a preview on Trunk Club, so you can kind of pick things that you want to keep and things that you want to take out. I think I took out one thing, but everything else I was at least interested in seeing. So I'm really looking forward to getting into it. As you may or may not know, they package everything in individual plastic bags, and so no reason to unbox it. I'm just gonna go try on the first outfit and you'll let me know what you think. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so one of my beefs with Trunk Club is I often have felt like they don't listen to what I ask for, and they often don't style it to anything in my profile. I don't think it's very styled to me. However, I think that the stylist did a great job on this outfit. I asked for comfy clothes that would also look good on like Zoom calls. So, okay, tell me what you think about this shirt. Is it too Wednesday from Addams Family? It is, I know. But I still really like it, and I think it met the criteria exactly. It's stretchy and comfortable, but also would look really cute on camera, I think, for a video call. So, I mean, I think they hit the mark. I don't know if it's totally my style, but I wanna love it. What do you think? Tell me. It might depend on the price too, but look at how cute that is. I don't know. And it's got like little fluttery sleeves. Like, I think it's kind of cute. Okay, also these Spanx Ponte pant, and I think they're cute. Even my husband thought they were cute. I don't like these together. Like, I'd rather wear this shirt probably with some dark jeans, and then like the pants with like a sweater, like a longer sweater. But I think they're pretty flattering and cute. They're so stretchy, and they just suck it all in, don't they? But they're also like a really comfortable work pant. So I often will just like wear a shirt like this in sweatpants or pajama pants or something like that. But this is a good alternative. Like, you can look cute all the way to the bottom. Okay, let me go try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the next outfit, and I felt like Wednesday from the Addams Family on with the last shirt. And this one, do I look like Angela from The Office a little bit? They put their doll shirts on. I love the idea of this shirt. So I left the pants on to go with it, and I actually like this shirt with the pants because it covers just enough without being too long. And I kind of like the idea of it. I don't mind a high collar. I don't mind a bow. It just might be a little too much and not really me. And I'm not good at tying bows. This looks ridiculous, let's be honest. So, and I'm sure I would have to iron this. So I think this just isn't gonna happen, but I really like the idea of it. What do you think? And I like it with these pants. Oh, also with this outfit, they sent mules, and I don't have a pair of mules. I've had it on my list. I love how the Quilted. They're by Schultz. They're comfy and they're cute, and I don't have any. So depends on the price. I kind of like them. They're hard to keep on your feet. Are mules all like that? They are hard to keep on your feet. Like, I'd be hot stepping it along and a shoe flung off. All right, let me go try on the next outfit. So my husband just said, "Why are they dressing you in dog clothes? You look like Angela from The Office." I think this is so cute. I think it is really, really cute. Can you tell it has like little polka, or no, is it? It's not. Oh yeah, it is little polka dots. And it has a fun neck. They're doing lots of high necks. I would definitely have to wear a different bra, but I mean, I think it is a really cute shirt. I'm not totally sure it's appropriate for work, but it's still cute. What do you think? You have to let me know. This is gonna be some tough ones. The last three have been really out of my comfort zone. Let's see how the rest of them are. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit, and I really like this sweater. What do you think? It's just plain with the cute little buttons. What I like is that it's kind of short. It's not so short that like skin is showing. Let's not get crazy. But it's short and gives like a fun style, right? And it's like just a nice cream color. I think it's classic but stylish. I really like this sweater. It's by Madewell. Okay, so the jeans I love cut from the cloth. They're so comfortable and they fit great. However, if you don't know this about cut from the cloth, they stretch a full size. A full size. So you don't want to buy them loose. You don't even really want to buy them when you try them on so they fit because they're going to stretch. So these are super loose just now. And I don't know if you can tell, but especially like on the legs, there's so much fabric here. And these jeans, how they're fitting right now are like how my mom wears skinny jeans. Like they're super loose. No offense, Grandma Sherry, not judging you, but this is how I feel like her right now with her loose skinny jeans. But I do love cuts. I just think they're the wrong size. All right, let me go try on the next thing. Okay, so I loved all those high-necked dress shirts, but in the end, this is totally my style. Like the sweater before and this is comfy but cute casual. I always want to wear those other things and I never grab them. They're just not me. I want them to be me, but they aren't. This is me, right? It's just a sweatshirt. It's by Madewell. And I just think it has a cute kind of oversized cut to it. It's not too long. It's actually perfect. Wear it for work, in front of the camera, wear it all the time, lounge in it. It's just such a cute sweatshirt. All right. I don't know. Do I need two cream shirts today? All right, I think I have one more thing to try on. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the last thing, and I just put it on with my Fleetwood Mac concert t-shirt, but isn't this so snuggly? It has great colors. It's really soft. It's by Topshop. I like it. I just think I don't have anything like this. What shirts would you wear underneath it? Like you could go with gray, white, cream. I don't know. I'd have to think about what else would go with it. But I really like it. I think it's snuggly and fun and different from anything else I have. But let me know what you think. Oh, I got a pair of earrings too. I'll go grab those and show them to you and we'll go over prices. I'll be right back. Okay, it's time to look at prices, but I'm telling you, I think they did a good job. They did exactly what I asked for, and I think there was really fun pieces in here. I don't think I hated anything. I don't know if all of it was my style, but sometimes things depend on price. I might take a risk with something if the price is right. So let's see what we got. Oh, let me show you the earrings first. They're by Madewell, and they're these gold hoops with like green glass beads on them, and they're really cute. Can you see them? Is it blurry? But they're really cute. Let's see how much those are. Oh, they're $24. That's a good price. I think they're fun. I don't have anything like them, and $24 I think is a good price. They're a little bit heavy, but they're nice. I'll have to think about that. Those will go in the maybe pile. Okay, first we have the Broadway cardigan sweater by Madewell, and it's this one, and it's $88. That's about what I thought it would be. It's really cute. They actually wore it in the picture that I just looked at open, like a cardigan or buttoned up or like a couple things unbuttoned, like getting crazy. So I thought that's really cute. Is it worth $88? All right, we'll see what else it has to compete with. Okay, so the V-neck sweatshirt by Madewell is $69.50. Was this cuter? Just as cute? It's cheaper. What do you think? Am I gonna stain it instantly with coffee? Probably. Okay, so that is one factor. All right, the next were the earrings, and then the Peter Pan color mixed material top, which is this one. by CeCe, and it's $69. What do you think? The Wednesday from Adam's Family one. $69? It's really stretchy and lovely. Ugh. This was probably my favorite of the dressy tops. Is it worth the risk? I don't know. Okay, so this one is by Halogen, Sleeveless, and they suggested wearing it with a cardigan and like the striped cardigan, and I'm not sure about that. But this one is $59. The big bow was just never gonna work. The ironing was never gonna work for me, but I did like it. It was fun. All right, the dot mesh top. This one was really cute too. I don't know if I'd wear it for work, but I thought like a little date night and stuff. Once we can go on dates again, I thought it would be fun, and it's only $39. Like, that's a great price. This would be something like, for $39, I'd take a risk, right? Because it's not something I'm gonna grab all the time. It's something different and fun. For $39, I would definitely consider that. That's a good price. All right, so the striped cardigan by Topshop is $58. I like that one a lot. I like a lot of these. I'm foreseeing a problem here. Okay. The cut from the cloth were $89, the blue jeans, which were just too big, and I have some other cuts, so I don't really need those right now. Okay, the mules are $88. What do you think of those? I always send them back. I've gotten a couple in boxes before, and I just never get them. I don't know why, but they're really cute. Do you think they're worth $88? I love this. I just feel like I just don't know when I'm gonna wear them, right? It feels so far out still. Oh, okay. Then the last are the Spanx, and they are $98, which they tend to always be. I think these would be a great staple in my wardrobe. I kind of have seen them a couple times and passed them by. Do I bite the bullet and get them? All right, you guys are gonna have to help me. There are a lot of things in my maybe pile. I kind of have a problem. All right, well, I used to be really hard with Trunk Club. It was my least favorite box for a long time, and it is slowly turning into one of my very favorites. I've had some really good ones the last couple that have made me very happy. Doesn't mean everything's my style, but everything was really fun to try on and different and unique. And I feel like Stitch Fix is a bit in a rut. You kind of know what you're gonna get, and there's nothing kind of unique and fun and different. But they also get stuff, I mean, I've bought a lot of stuff from Stitch Fix with that kind of formula too. So, but I feel like Trunk Club's really fun right now. So tell me what you think I should get. This is a really tough one. If you like my channel, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like these, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.